Hello. In today's video, I will show you how, with my three-phase BLDC motor generator, I can power additional loads without burdening the rotor and without increasing the draw from the battery, and draws about zero point 0.5 amps on the ammeter, both with and without an external load. That means the motor generator's input power remains unchanged. First, let's demonstrate operation without a load. The ammeter reads zero point 0.5 amps, and the motor spins freely. Then, using my generator add-on, which I've integrated into the standard BLDC motor, I apply a 100-watt LED lamp to two additional generator windings. The ammeter stays at zero point 0.5 amps, and the motor's RPM doesn't drop. In fact, in some cases, it even rises slightly. The secret lies in how I capture and convert the back-EMF, electromotive force, from those extra windings. This way, the motor generator continues to run on the same input power with zero braking effect. Moreover, this surplus energy can power other devices or be fed back into the system, either into the battery or into supercapacitors. Replacing the battery with supercapacitors allows you to create a truly self-sustaining setup where all generated excess is stored and returned to the motor generator's power network. This solution turns any three-phase BLDC motor into an efficient motor generator with no braking effect, delivering smooth operation and minimal losses. If you want to follow my next experiments and get the detailed technical insights, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Plus, on my Patreon page, you'll find more inventions like this, full schematic details, and lots of valuable information. Join to support my work and gain access to priceless resources for your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.